What exactly do people shoplifting cough syrup do with it? They make drugs. If it has codeine in it, they use it for that, either drinking it straight or making lean with it. If not, the main ingredient in cough suppressants, dextromethorphan, can also get you high. It's a dissociative drug popular among kids who can't access other types of drugs. Ask me how I know, lol. The generic brand might be less desirable because it tastes worse or is mixed with other ingredients which are deadly to consume in the dose you would need to get high from the main ingredient. There are only a handful of brands that are safe to use, in the sense that the only active ingredient is dextromethorphan. So those are the ones that are being stolen. Or, the name brand costs the store more in losses, so they're cracking down on it harder. If you can afford good drugs, nobody would want to get high on cough syrup. But I've read about homeless alcoholics who drink dollar store mouthwash because it's cheap. Also, a while ago, teens could buy cough syrup. Well, they don't cough a lot. Drink enough of the kind with dextromorphin in it and you get high. Cough syrup has dextromethorphan in it and it gets you drunk, high if you drink enough of it. So many wrong comments here, lol. NyQuil has DXM, which is a drug that makes you high and kind of trip. Depends on the type. Some people drink to get high. Some are used to make other drugs. Some just take it for their cough. It has DXM, which is a dissociative. A person often has to drink a couple bottles to get high. This is lean, right? A drug-type drink you make with it. You ever watch Breaking Bad? Depends on how old they are and what's in the medicine. When I was in college, before we all turned 21, robo-tripping was fairly common. It's basically just getting drunk off chugging a bottle of cough syrup. Of course, older perpetrators will have more nefarious motives. DXM. But if they were smart about the robo-trip, they'd get the gel caps that only contain DXM. The codeine stuff is prescription only. Nobody is making drugs from OTC cough syrup. It is pseudoephedrine that is used for meth. Quercetin, the purple box of cough pills, used to be stolen heavily in high school because of the drug that gets you high in it. It has 30 milligrams of DXM per pill, so people would not have to take as many pills for same high, but it was the most unsafe way to do it due to another active ingredient in it that can have very bad consequences when taken in excess. A lot of cough syrups are mostly alcohol. It's a go-to for homeless alcoholics. I bet the store brand is alcohol-free. Drink it. Make meth. That's an awful lot of cough syrup. Less coughing, for a start. It depends on what's in the cough syrup. Some cough syrups contain codeine, which is literally an opiate. You can mix it with soda, juice, or other things, like hard candy, to make a flavored drink. Are the people stealing it to just drink it all at once to get a drug addict high? Are they stealing it because they are really sick and unable to afford it? Most likely to get high. If they get caught, a lot of folks are going to let them get away without paying because they will claim they or their child is sick and needs it. Also, is there any reason why generic was not locked up? Check the label. Generic might not have the same active ingredients. Also, in my experience, generic cough syrup tastes much more bitter than the regular brands. So maybe it's not being stolen as much. Robo-tripping. Oh, the tussin.
If you enjoyed this video, please check out our playlists full of similar content. Epicaricast is like doom scrolling for your ears. Please like, share, and subscribe.